there, little brainiacs. Welcome to Kool Kreative Mingle. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and join our community.
In the heart of a dense, untamed jungle, where the shadows of trees draped over a canopy of mysteries, lived the legendary Tarzan. A man raised by apes, Tarzan had become the jungle's guardian, embodying its strength and wisdom. As dawn broke, the jungle awakened with a symphony of chirping birds and rustling leaves. Tarzan climbed a giant sequoia, feeling the rough bark beneath his fingers, scanning the horizon. Suddenly, his eyes caught the unsettling figure of a black streak moving through the foliage below. It was Camando, the notorious black tiger, feared by every creature in the jungle. Camando was no ordinary tiger. He was named Camando for his exceptional intelligence and strategy. His jet-black fur made him nearly invisible in the night, and his piercing golden eyes seemed to hold secrets of an ancient world. Unlike other predators, Camando hunted with purpose, sometimes causing chaos instead of merely feeding. Tarzan knew the tales of Camando, whose disturbances led to conflicts among the jungle denizens. On this bright morning, Tarzan felt something different in Camando's movements. There was urgency, determination, and, at times, fear. Camando's prowl was swift, as if seeking something or someone. Down by the riverbed, where wildflowers colored the edges of a sparkling stream, Tarzan confronted Camando. The tiger stood poised, muscles tensed beneath the sleek fur, yet vulnerable. "What brings you out in broad daylight, Camando?" Tarzan's deep voice resonated like an ancient drum. The tiger paused, examining Tarzan with pride and a hint of challenge. "Something threatens my territory. An invader from beyond the jungle. I'm here not for confrontation, but for alliance," Camando replied, his voice a guttural growl softened by regal authority. Tarzan raised an eyebrow, intrigued but cautious. "And why would I trust you, who thrives in disorder?" "Because this time, the enemy is not just mine," Camando explained. "It threatens the entire jungle. A group of poachers has entered with weapons unknown to us." Realizing the gravity of the situation, Tarzan understood that the jungle's safety was paramount, overshadowing his mistrust of the tiger. "Then let's drive them out, together," he agreed. An unlikely alliance was forged between man and beast, two forces of nature bound by a common goal. Jungle creatures watched in awe as Tarzan and Camando prepared for battle. In the days that followed, their combined efforts unified the jungle dwellers. From birds that squawked warnings to elephants that created barriers, every animal played a part. Through cunning strategies and daring moves, Tarzan's leadership and Camando's predatory skills cornered the poachers, directing them away from the sanctuary. The jungle's peace restored, Tarzan and Camando acknowledged each other's prowess before parting ways. Their temporary alliance became a tale passed down through generations.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated on all my latest videos. Thanks for being part of our